Hey guys, Lorenzo here. Good evening. Sorry I'm late. Okay, vlog for today. Quickie one, just a quick one. Um, let's see. Oh, I learned about the shortlist for the Oscars, the 2026 Oscars, no, 2025 Oscars on 2026 next year, Feb, I think. So there are two feature films, international foreign films that I got curious and they seem really interesting and they're part of the short list. So I hope that they make it to the final list. And those are it's only two. One is a South Korean film called No Other Choice. Okay, that's by Chan Wook Park. He's my favorite South Korean director. He is responsible for giving great films such as Old Boy, okay, and Sympathy for Mr. Vengeance, Lady Vengeance, and what was the other one he did? The one on Netflix right now called Decision to Leave. He's a fantastic South Korean director, and I'm a huge fan of his. And his film is part of it. So, also an interesting film. Check out the trailer on YouTube called No Other Choice. Okay, then the second one is by an Iranian filmmaker, but I think it was made and the production was made in France. It's called It Was an Accident. Okay, I think that's a thriller about, I think, some kind of kidnapping plot, and it's interesting. It stars Iranians, okay, and based on the trailer, it looks good. It looks well shot. Everything else, acting is perfect. It's interesting. I think it deals with some crime. I don't know. I don't want to read more about it. I just want to wait and watch it. And if when it becomes available online, then yeah, those two films are interesting. So check them out. Check out the trailers. One is No Other Choice. The other is It Was an Accident. All right. So yeah, that's it. And what else? Oh, I just watched the English Patient, the Ralph Fiennes movie. It's a drama, and wow, it's actually a tearjerker. It's a good film actually. So be sure to check it out. I think those are. I mean, that's a great example of films, or a film that we lack nowadays. Something with a lot of heart, good drama, solid story, and just basic and simple storytelling. You know, you don't have all the complications. You don't need to try too hard. This is a good example. It's just like The Green Mile or The Shawshank Redemption. So, The English Patient, that's what it's called. You can watch it on. I watched it online. You can check it out online. And probably next, I'm going to watch a 70s Terrence Malick film called Days of Heaven. And I read it's a good drama, and it's well shot. Everything, whole whole 10 yards, whole 9 yards. It's good. So yeah, I'll check that out. So that's it. Good evening, guys, and yeah, eat, pray, love. Ciao.